Today we're going to be talking about closed roads, because there are some things involved with closed roads that I think people get confused with. So as always, it's the sticking points that we need to cover so that it can make life easier for you guys when you are attacking these exams. Before we get started, if any of you are interested in taking mock tests, classroom route planning training, or one-to-one training, all information will be in the description box below. Promo code James5, which is for the online mock tests, as you can see just next to my head. The original price is $24.99, but with the promo code you will receive a discount on that. And if you use the promo code James10, you will get a discount on the route planning training. As you can see at the bottom there, it says £99, but with the promo code you will get a discount on that also. The great thing about PCO London is they use this exact same software that TFL use for the exam, and the software that I'll be using for these videos, that I'll be using for my training, is also the exact same software that TFL use and PCO London use. Now, as always, we know that this software is the same software you're going to be using in the exam. It's going to look exactly the same. Therefore, we can learn from now. Before every question, you read the information that is on the left-hand side of the screen. This is going to tell you exactly where you're starting from and where you're finishing. And then underneath that, it will have information in regards to closed roads. Now, on this question, it says West India Avenue is closed. West Ferry Road is closed between West Ferry Circus and West India Dock Road. West India Dock Road is closed from West Ferry Road to Commercial Road. So just a quick question. I want you guys to answer how many roads are closed in this question. And if you guessed 3, then you are right. The reason why it's 3, now let me just go into where people get confused. They see loads of roads being mentioned and they assume that they're all closed. But you must read carefully. Now, West India Avenue is closed. Full stop. That means, let's find West India Avenue. West India Avenue is there. West India Ave. That means that the whole of West India Avenue is closed. So if it just says the road name and that it's closed and then has a full stop and nothing else after it, as it does here, that then means the whole of West India Avenue is closed. Now when we come to the second road closure, West Ferry Road, which is closed between West Ferry Circus and West India Dock Road, that means only a section of the road is closed. Now, let's first find West Ferry Road. We can see West Ferry Road there. But just because you see the word West Ferry Road with your eyes, don't think that that's it, all searching done now. You must check the full length of the road to see, because as you can see here, after this roundabout that we get here, West Ferry Road continues on. Continues on all the way down until you get to Manchester Road. Yeah. So in the question, what it says here is West Ferry Road is closed between West Ferry Circus and West India Dock Road. Now let's find West Ferry Circus and West India Dock Road. So West Ferry Circus is here. That is this little roundabout. West India Dock Road is here. Therefore, it's not the whole of West Ferry Road that's closed. It is from West India Dock Road, which is there, and it is closed down to West Ferry Circus, which is here. So this portion of West Ferry Road is closed. The rest is not closed. Now let's go to the last one. West India Dock Road is closed from West Ferry Road to Commercial Road. Now, we know where West India Dock Road is because we just found it for the last one. So West India Dock Road is closed from West Ferry Road to Commercial Road. West Ferry Road is here. This is West Ferry Road. Commercial Road, let's zoom out. Commercial Road is here. So Commercial Road would finish finishes around here. Therefore, West India Dock Road is closed from West Ferry Road, which is here, to Commercial Road. So it is only this section of West India Dock Road that is closed. The rest, these slip roads, are not closed. So now we have a closed road there. We have a closed road here. Down to here. And we also have a closed road here, West India Avenue. So that right there is the totality of the 3 road closures that we have in this question. So now if we begin this question, let me just clear the lines out the way. If we begin this question with our knowledge of the road closures, we know we definitely cannot come anywhere down here and go from this way because that West India Avenue is closed. We know we can't come anywhere and go this way because West Ferry Circus is West Ferry Road is closed, and we know we cannot come up here because West India Dock Road is closed. So our only option is to come this way. Now what a lot of people do here is they take a right turn at the end of this road, but as we can see, we're crossing a black line here, so that definitely is not allowed. Also, a lot of people do the same here, which is exactly the same situation. We have a black line here, so that turn is also not allowed. So the way to do this question, guys, and to avoid all of the closed roads, is to come this way. Now, as we've learned from one of my previous videos, these broken lines indicate that you're going underground. And Limehouse Link, which is the road that we're about to use, Limehouse Link, is underground. So that's why you have all these broken lines going through there. So let's follow it on. We're going underneath West Ferry Road. Don't get confused. We're not going onto West Ferry Road. We're going underneath. West Ferry Road is on top of us. So we're following Limehouse Link all the way around. Now we get to a point where the broken lines end. We've now crossed our last broken line, which means what, guys? We are now on ground level. We're no longer underground. So another common mistake that people do from here, because remember, we need to get to our red marker, which is on the other side of the water. So we need to cross the water. Therefore, we will need to use this tunnel. Another common mistake people do is that they come out of Limehouse Link and then they just keep going straight and think that they can join Rotherhithe Tunnel from here, or they think they're already inside Rotherhithe Tunnel. But let's go through why that is impossible. Because I've just explained that we are on ground level because we've crossed our last broken line, that therefore means that we are on ground level and this highway road is on ground level. Butcher Row is on ground level. Highway is on ground level. Therefore, it is definitely impossible to just jump down from the highway into an underground tunnel. We must, when we enter the tunnel, we must pass the tunnel approach, which is located here. Once we pass this tunnel approach, we are then underground and we can then follow through the tunnel. But the way to get there is by using these roads that are available to you, these roads that are on top of the tunnel. Because right now we are not underground, we're on ground level. So we want to go underground. So we will use the roads available to us on ground level to get underground. Therefore, we're going to take this right turning here. Because I don't want you guys to just watch what I'm doing and memorize it. I want you to understand it. If you understand it, then no matter what question you're given, you're going to do the right thing. But if you memorize it, if there's a slightly, if the question is laid out in a slightly different way, you'll be in trouble because you haven't understood what I've been saying. You've just tried to memorize it. So just try and understand that right now we're on top of the tunnel because we've come out of Limehouse Link. We've taken a right turn on Butcher's Row. We're going to take another right turn onto Commercial Road and then another right turn onto Branch Road, which leads us down to the tunnel approach, which is where we needed to get to join Rotherhithe Tunnel. Now that we have joined Rotherhithe Tunnel, we need to stay within the tunnel. Don't worry about Butcher's Row. Don't worry about highway. We are not on highway right now. We're in the tunnel, which is running underneath this road. Just follow it down, follow it down, follow it down. We're not outside of the tunnel until we pass the tunnel approach on the exit. Now we have exited the tunnel. We are on ground level and we have this roundabout ahead of us. Okay, I'm not going to bother doing the rest of the question because it's pretty simple and straightforward how to get there. The main thing I wanted you guys to understand is how we avoided the road closures. There were 3 of them in this question. One of them, the totality of the road was closed. The other 2 road closures were only segments, parts of the road that were closed. So I hope that was made easy for you guys to understand. Please let me know if you have any questions. Let me know in the comments and I'll answer those. Other than that, I'll see you guys in the next video.